Hey, it's Bernie with Raw Custom Design. So I got this Schumaker charger yesterday, and it's the SC1361. And I'm not quite understanding it because I looked up the videos on YouTube, and if you push this button, these are supposed to individually light. Well, they're not. They're just dimming change. I'm not really even sure which one I'm on to be able to do the charging. So I have it hooked up to an Optima battery, which I think is bad, but not 100%. That's why I'm trying to charge it. This goes in my 1964 Chevy Wagon Impala. So I'm trying to get it charged so that I can start doing more posts on Wagon Wednesdays. So if anybody has any ideas on what I'm doing wrong, because the manual that came with it sucks. So what I've been doing is taking the negative off, letting this kind of die out, and then I'm assuming that because the top one is the brightest, see how it changed? It's not, the battery's not even hooked up. So now I'm going to hook it up. So I don't even know what it's doing. If anybody can give me some help, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe, like, comment. Also check out Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. Alright, thank you, and stay tuned for Wagon Wednesdays. Me and my son are going to start getting some more progress going on the 1964 Wagon. Thanks.